You know, coming up on the holiday season is wonderful for most of us. We've got family time, friend time, a warm, safe place to sleep. But many people don't. I've got a friend of mine, Wendi Miller, with us from Keller Williams to talk about her program of outreach they're doing with the City Rescue Mission to bring a little love to people that otherwise might not be getting at this time of year. Wendi, welcome.
Thank you, Wally.
Shoeboxes of Love. Tell me what that is and how that came to be.
Well, it came to be, my partner and I, with JW Homes Group, or with Keller Williams, we love to give back. You know, we put people in homes every day, and then you go downtown and you see the homeless. You know, I have to drive to Darnell Cookman quite a bit because my children go there, and I go right past the City Rescue Mission. And one day my partner called me and she said, you know, this is just really on my heart. I think we really need to focus our charitable events on the homeless, you know, because we're real estate agents and we're about putting people in homes.
I love that.
You know, we would love to eventually grow to a point where we could build a home for somebody who's homeless or be a part of a group that does. So Channel 4 is doing the Shoeboxes of Love. I called Channel 4 and asked if I could if me and my partner Janet Ogburn could be in support of it. So what we're doing is reaching out to all of our past customers, reaching out to our friends, our family. You know, we've created a Facebook event and just trying to get as many shoeboxes of love that we can.
Well, tell me specifically about the boxes. Are they really shoe boxes? They're plastic boxes? What are we doing?
So I have a plastic shoe box that I have, and you just get travel size toiletries. It's important that they're travel size because
this is great.
Right, because the homeless, you know, they usually just have backpacks or something, so they really can't carry the full size. And like a sock, you know, toothpaste, toothbrush, shampoo, conditioner, and they have different boxes for men and women. And then also they're asking for boxes for children. So in the children, obviously they're asking too to put maybe like a little toy, a little stuffed animal, a little book to read, along with toiletries that are specific to children.
Is it important that I build the whole box if I'd like to participate? Or if I have a bunch of travel toiletries and some other things, can I give you what I have and then you build the boxes?
Well, we'd really prefer that you guys bring the boxes already built.
Okay.
They're also asking that you wrap it in a blanket. I've been told that Target has some inexpensive blankets you can go and wrap it in. I went to Walmart, you know, and I got a blanket. It was $8.88, I think, and I can wrap the box in that. So we would like to have them built. We're having an event on December 7th at my house where we're asking people to deliver them. But also, you know, I have a very good friend who lives in the Springfield community. So she asked me if she could collect and then I could come pick up from her, which absolutely I can do that. We have to have them delivered to Channel 4 by December 13th. I'm really hoping we can get at least 500 boxes. Okay,
and I was going to ask you that. You know, it's kind of funny. I haven't been a bold coach as well as a one-thing trainer. Everything Kellerized has a goal.
Exactly.
Yours is 500 boxes.
Ours is 500, and if we surpass that, you know, that would be fantastic. So,
if I can help as a drop-off point, you can just put my office on the list of drop-off points if that helps you. If you've got that area covered, that's okay too. But we're ready.
Absolutely,
ready to help.
Absolutely. I would love that. Absolutely, yes, yes.
Sold.
Awesome. Woo.
That was easy. So for folks who'd like to learn a bit more or make contact with you to have that conversation to see how they can help you through Boxes of Love Help City Rescue Mission, what's the website to reach out to you to get good contact information?
Our website is jwhomesgroup.com. So jwhomesgroup.com.
Excellent. I want to thank Wendi and Janet and their whole team for the great things they're doing in the community. You know, very often we bypass people in great need. This is an opportunity in a nice way through the City Rescue Mission to ensure the right needs get to the right people at the right time of year. So please consider reaching out to Wendi, reach out to Janet, reach out to me, and we'll hook you right up.